Hello people, welcome to another video. In this, I've developed an online text editor with functionality similar to the Google Docs. It includes features comparable to Microsoft Word, allowing the users to edit and share documents seamlessly. So the users can add table, images, hyperlinks, and text formatting, and basically all other stuff which is found in Word and text editors. For this purpose, I've used the Jodit React Text Editor, which is a library uh, for React. And another functionality is you can share this doc to other users via mail. So it utilizes the SMTP protocol, and the Node Mailer library helps in this. So I've used my personal email to send the document to others. So the email address through which the user receives the doc is my email address, but in the body of that email, the sender's email is also included. And while logging and registering, the user credentials are stored using the Redux Persist library. Basically, it stores the user data which comes from the backend in the browser's local storage so that it can be accessed anytime. Check out this video further for the complete demonstration of the functionality.